Okay, I did already put foundation on. Now we're just gonna blend it all over my face. And by the way, guys, if you're new here, thank you so much for tuning in. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, subscribe to my channel. And also, don't forget to click the notification bell button so that you will notify every time I do upload a new video. By the way, guys, on today's video, I'll be doing my makeup look for work. So, yeah. Okay, now I'm using this Wonder Beauty, one of my favorite foundation as well. I love this foundation. It's a really good foundation. And I'm just gonna start blending it all over my face. Now it's time for the powder foundation. One of my favorite powder foundation from Maybelline. I'm still in love with this powder foundation. Alright, my favorite bronzer. I use it all the time when doing my contour. It look like really nice, like gives those natural um, contour onto my face. That's why I love this Afra bronzer. And also I use it like a blush all the time because it's really good bronzer. Alright, moving on to the concealer. Pretty Bulgar, one of my favorite concealer as well. Really good beauty product. And yeah. And I'm gonna start applying it to my under eyes. And then I'm gonna start blending it. Next is eyebrow. Kila is life, so I'm using this NYX eyebrow gel, one of my favorite eyebrow gel. And I'm just gonna start creating an arch for my eyebrows because Kila is life and I like doing an arch before I'm gonna fill everything else. Okay, it's just me, everyone. Okay, I'm really picky when it comes to eyebrows, so don't mind me. It's just me. Next is eyeliner, liquid eyeliner, one of my favorite when it comes with makeup. I cannot go without liquid eyeliner because that's one of my most favorite makeup routine, liquid eyeliner. Okay, moving on to blush. One of my favorite color is that one. I use it all the time. Super nice color. Okay, moving on to mascara. One of my favorite, Pixie by Petra. It's give those really nice volume of my eyelashes. Really nice one. One of my favorite mascara too. Okay, lip gloss. One of my favorite lip gloss to give my lips moisturize all day. One of my favorite lip gloss. Really good lip gloss as well. Okay, this is my final look. My makeup for work all the time. This is normally I do every day. If I do have work, I cannot go without my favorite makeup routine with liquid eyeliner. Those are one of my favorite when it comes to makeup. And yeah, I love how it's turned to my eyes and also the eyebrows. Kila is life. So that's all. Alright everyone, that's it for today's video. My makeup look for work. And if you're new here, thank you so much for tuning in. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, subscribe to my channel. And also, don't forget to click the notification bell button so that you will notify every time I do upload a new video. And if you like this video, give me a big thumbs up. And yeah, that's it for today's video, guys. I'll be leaving in 1 minute and I will see you on my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.